All right, so special thanks to our friends over at ZeeHoo who were nice enough to send us this Power Drive CC55 15-watt wireless car charger. As you can see, it's fast charging for 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts, and 15 watts, depending, of course, what your phone supports. So let's take it out of this bag. This is what it came in from Amazon, and that was the front, little logo there on the top, company name there, a little bit of information here, automatic function, Q wireless charger, 15-watt fast charger, 360-degree rotation, and multiple installations. And you can see on the back a little more of the input and output information. And let's open this up and see what it looks like. So slide that part out. So we've got what we got down in here. This looks like the base and some cardboard, a bunch of instruction sets, and vent clip, another clip, wow, and another one. Now lots of more stuff here than I thought. That's it for the box though. So we have a little contact card in case you have any issues. Then we have a little user's manual telling you how to set it up. And of course, you want to make sure that you have enough power for this device. So choose the right adapter, which is not included. You need a 9-volt 2 amp or a 12-volt 2 amp QC 3.0 car charger for this to work correctly. So also a little important notice how to install it, FAQ kind of thing. It looks like it fits all the phones, so shouldn't have an issue with your phone size. Let's see what all we have here. So we have this part, which is, so this is the main part. They have this reminder here again to choose the right adapter. That's, of course, very important. The USB-C cable goes in right here at the bottom, which is, of course, right here, so that's good. That's important. We'll peel that on off. And this is essentially a mount for like your dash. You could peel this off, got some double-sided tape here, and mount it to the dash on your car. Now you'd also need this part, which this part holds basically everything else. So you can adjust this however you may need, and this kind of locks it into place, which is very nice. And this does have a suction cup, so you can pop this up, and this even has, it's not sticky, but like it has some extra grip. So for example, even on my table here, I can push down and lock it in place, and then I just take this, screw off this, put this over this, pop into place, and then tighten, and there we go. I could have this mounted to my dash and my phone just hanging over the edge. Let's also open up the included other option, which is vent clip. You just loosen this, clip it onto your vents, and re-tighten it. And you got to do the whole same rigmarole with the bolt there. And lastly is the included little, oh, they give you an extra one. That's pretty nice. The included USB-C cable. So let me show you how this works. I will run this to a power source. So if I peel this off, I can get this stuck to there. And let's actually raise this a little bit. We'll put it right there. So with our power source plugged in, I can just plug this in to the bottom. Now this should have power to where I can press these buttons and it opens out to hold my phone. So I can take my Pixel 6 Pro and just put it in here, and it just starts charging and automatically tightens around the phone. Now there is little buttons on the side. You just press those to release your phone and you're able to take your phone out. And if you want to put it back in, goes in, locks it, starts charging. Absolutely cannot beat it. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this fast charger. As you can see, it is great. It is automatic. Just leave it plugged in your car. When you hop in, throw your phone in, it's gonna hold it. And when you're done with it, just hit your buttons to release it and take your phone out. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.